Hello students, welcome back to AMERICOM. This is your teacher Joseph. Guys, I've been telling you that there are a lot of lessons which are coming, So today we're gonna meet one of the best lesson ever in the English grammar, right? So today what you got going on here, the title that you got here today is phrasal verbs, all right? So we got phrasal verbs and meaning, all right? So long jarone phrasal verbs and their meaning. Do you understand? All right, so a lot of you have been asking for this lesson. So today we're gonna actually capture it because like what I'm trying to tell you guys is to make sure that you all good, right? I mean, like what I'm doing is supposed to be like really potential so you can eventually get some in your mind and whatever. So guys, we have the part one of phrasal verbs, okay? Part one. So in the premier partie, c'est la vidéo na nyingi zijao phrasal verbs parce que c'est nyingi sauf lazima zijue pia même si na kaka sijua pia mbele jue nyingi, right? So leo ndio na premier partie izo ikamba zungurumira tout le temps, right? Plus whatever. So you have to make sure that you listen to me very attentively because this is so important, all right? Lazima mumplikie mujue hili nongo jujua lizirumi normal parce que this is one of the major ones, okay? Lazima rekensiringale comment on va faire atarishinde rizelewe. So I recommend you that you be with me on the board, so we can eventually grab some in the mind, all right? So here we have phrasal verbs and meanings. Part 1, okay? Première partie of phrasal verbs. So phrasal verbs, ce sont des verbes dont on a préposition. Do you understand? Verbe plus préposition. Il y a une verbe na préposition directe, on appelle ça phrasal verbs, all right? Ce sont des verbes ambazo modernes. Do you understand? Yani zo hali bukuka verbe zangina biabasa. And one go to how wana phrasal verbs pare shingereza si Jesus kenanchari, right? All right, so let's go. So here we have take up, all right? So to take up, to begin a new hobby. To begin a new hobby, right? So nakao simu kote za basket be bon récemment au John sorti za basket. So I've just taken it up, all right? Cela veut dire amba mitako John ngo za basket, saka mano za basket be otandisa récemment, donc I have just taken it up. Right? Donc to take up yani to begin a new hobby. Uhandisa nouvel loisir. Uhandisa urema guitar la, all right? Donc yo loisir uhandisa nyumeni. Do you understand? All right, so this is to take up. Here we have get around. To get around, here we have to travel to different places. To get around, you do passia harmosi place different. Do you understand? So to get around, what is the deal? I'm traveling to different places. You just say, I'm getting around. So classic, right? Phrasal verbs sometimes, when you part them in your sentence, you just like make the sentence short. Right? And just simplify right? Donc, to get around, what is the deal? I'm traveling, I travel to different places. You simply say, I get around, right? Get around the world or whatever, right? All right, so here, wipe out. Wipe out, to destroy something completely. To wipe out, to destroy something completely. Nakarongwa to wipe out, yani yo détruisez hindu complètement. Gari pa paswa gari tsampo diskupia mo. So I wiped it out, okay? To wipe out. Right? Yani u détruisez hindu complètement, ba yani ngami jatakaisi na mana tena. Right? Okay, so when I destroy the car completely, you just say I wiped the car out. I wiped out the car, all right? C'est détruire le car. All right, so here we have ask after. Ask after, all right? Ask after. Here we have to ask information about someone. To ask after, ça veut dire ngo demander information za mtu. Na karika bano kamba mbala bon lazima wende fomboni ndo wajue ou lazima wende moroni au msamdu ndo wajue ndongo za fulani. Donc so I'm going to ask after, right? Ask after. You have to go and ask after him, right? Ça veut dire wanda zunguhe information zahe. Or the dire I'm going to ask for his information, his living, whatever. You simply say I'm going to ask after him, all right? So I'm going to ask after him. Okay, so next here we have hold on, okay? Hold on, to wait, particularly on the phone, all right? Na kangera mwa telephone bano, bengo tsaho jofanya mwandongo bano, ngo tsaho ni hensira buza na tanti, wafendo ngwele urege. So, hold on. Ça veut dire ziambavi, nami lawe ninafanya mwanangu fulani ndregee. Do you understand? So to hold on, yani yo particularly yo kaharma telefoni. Right? Be abasa you know amweshingereza même si nakango bureau avec tes collègues, right? Après excuse me, could I use your computer a little bit? You like, hold on, I'm finishing something, right? Hold on, yani nilidemba bima ndo mtita manizumwe ndo right? Donc one way ringe way rumio partout. Right? Après sonio parce que that's English, right? Ça c'est l'anglais, one way rumio partout. But this is particularly harma telephone, right? Nakangwa this telephone. What's a home to Mnyahana Tatman Tituring and Mahin Walum Chendani? You like, oh bro, hold on, I gotta get some right here. I'm gonna be right back, alright? So Ngola on Waring Hindu Reggae, and need a manum Yoka particular Mahamas telephone, right? Babaseno, General Mandi Rumia Moshingereza, right? Yeah. Okay, here we have to take off. To take off, ça veut dire to begin flight. So to take off, en français, les rongo décoller, right? Quand vient décoller ou il bouge, right? So the plane is taking off, okay? So I'm going to décoller harmo 3 heures de temps. I will just say the plane took off 3 hours ago, right? So to take off, to begin flight, okay? Décoller, en français, décoller. Alright, here we have to bring up. I'm going to bring up. Gena fasirimili. Here we have to initiate a conversation on a subject, alright? So na kama ori tunamwamba bring up something, I brought up something. To bring up yani ngefanya conversation bano be ubingi conversation ubingi, right? To initiate a conversation on a subject, okay? When the sujet which have a conversation, right? Well, that is to bring up, right? When the sujet namnele oui tu have a conversation harmai début ya conversation ou tsombia hay sujet le vale, that is to bring up, okay? Donc ya bili to raise a child. To bring up yo mauri ulea mwana tena, right? Donc na kama uri ngona mwanaho bon umle hauzuri be apashiande America do henda ndo mparange no vinyo zae na hizo onde ule wetoni wow, I didn't bring you up like that, right? To bring up yo ulea mwana usi, okay? Ulea. Okay, like I have a beautiful daughter, so I bring her up, okay? Mumleo. You understand? Alright, so to bring up. Here you have to throw up, okay? To throw up, that is to vomit, urabiha, right? But the drum, oh, she's there vomiting, right? You just say she's there throwing up. To throw up. Remember to throw, verbe tout simple, on va to throw your lats à jeter, right? Ben I want to throw up, ça veut dire gerabiho. You understand? Mdorabiha. Oh, I want to throw up, ça veut dire I'm tahon rabihi, right? Or I want to vomit, right? You know, just like get rid with that vomit. Namte vomit, narume to throw up, alright? So actually my mother saw my sister yesterday throwing up. Probably she's pregnant, okay? So throw up, ça veut dire urabia, alright? Okay, here you have to pass out, okay? To pass out, this is to faint. To faint, yo bama, right? That was saying rumio shingereza shilibafu. Right, sha nchari, sha class. Donc on dit simplement to pass out. To pass out, yo ubama. Yani to become unconscious, alright? Unconscious, ça veut dire ubama. Uka inconscient ubama, you know what I'm saying? Uremwa pihele toba. Slapped him and he passed out. Right? Right? So to pass out, on utilise les phrasal verbs pour sonner comme les natives, right? C'est comme ça comment les Américains vont voir. Kuna paro para Américain rongwari, he fainted. Haraba no. He passed out. Right? Abama, Obama, right? Ufubama, s'évanouir, whatever. Okay, so here we have to pass away. To pass away, that is to die, ufa, right? To pass away. My grandma passed away in 2010. Yani makanme kwangu wafu 2010, whatever, right? So nakasirongwa my grandma passed away. Definitely mamu ilomba wale kutorongwa kwa hafu. Ule de dire my grandma died, right? Donc we don't use died anymore, right? Get rid of die, to die. You just use the phrasal verbs to pass away, right? Ufa, to die, right? On utilise the phrasal verbs pour sonner comme les natives, right? So here we have to come back. To come back, that is to return. And be careful, because let me tell you something really important. Probably you will understand. There is to come back, and to return, alright? C'est la même chose, ok? To come back, to return. Donc, nakanga urongo to return, ça veut dire to come back. Retourner. To return, you retourner. To come back, you retourner. Donc, c'est faux urongo, but to return back. Ça, c'est pas l'anglais. Il faut faire attention. Il faut pas dire to return back. I remember I was talking to one of my friends and he used that sentence. He was like, I will return back. That's not English, my brother. You have to be careful. On dit pas to return back. We just say to return. Bas, easier come back. But when to return back, ça c'est pas l'anglais. Par contre, on dit to come back. Do you understand? Retourner. But I will return back in May. No. I will return in May, right? I will come back in May, all right? So you have to be careful. Faut pas utiliser return après back. No. Ça c'est pas l'anglais. To return simplement. Here we have to come back. In the phrasal verbs of never, okay? To come back, retourner. To return, okay? Retourner. Okay, so this is literally what AMERICOM wanted to show you today. Phrasal verbs part 1, this is la première partie. Donc, déjà, on a la deuxième partie, la troisième partie. Ça, c'est très important pour sonner comme les natifs parce que au début de tout, we have to sound like a native speaker. And I promise you guys, let me tell you something. If you speak English like a native, you know what I mean? You go somewhere like probably you go to Dubai, you know, Dar es Salaam, or maybe you're here in Kampala, Uganda, or you're around the world whereby they speak English. And you have a native English, people will appreciate you. Imagine if I personally go somewhere, you know what I'm saying? Like, people always say that you got place in America. Of course, in Comoros we speak French, right? Comoros, Esperanza, right? That's our second language, our mother tongue. And we call it NCP, whatever. That's French, right? So, wasani saona mashingereza sixième ou here terminal. Mais bon, juste pour avoir des notes, ça c'est pour juste les notes, right? Après, here we learn how to speak. Right? Après, quelques grammaires, on fait aussi à l'école. Mais la chose la plus importante, de ubabuha, right? You have to liovano na wio, it's how. Donc, nakale ujiva lazima mtsohon babuhi. Avec ces leçons, ça va vous aider, hein? The lesson will help you. That's really why I'm here, bro. I'm a teacher. I got a lot of students. They perform better in the English language, right? They know how to speak English. So you too, you have to know. You want to become a native speaker, so come on. You don't have to envy me. You don't envy me. You gotta work, man. Like, you have to work, right? Don't be envious, bro. Don't be envious. Faut pas être envieux, right? No, you have to work. Let's work together. Together we can do that, right? We can. On peut le faire. Don't say that, oh my God, English is gonna be very hard for me because I am bad at it. Bro, I was bad like you, right? For pas dire que l'anglais c'est dur, no shit or whatever. Bro, go after it, bro. You got a hand, right? That's more like a shot. This is English. So imagine that's love, bro. You show English love. You show English that you really like it. You really love it. You really admire it. So you gotta go after it, right? That's my bougie. When that's how anglais tu parles, là you are a boss, right? Yeah, in Kampala, Uganda, right? Because I'm currently in Kampala, and you know, like when I go somewhere, probably like go to the office, or probably I'll go to the mall, or you know, doing my shopping or something. You know what I'm saying? So once I pull up somewhere, and oh. The guy asked how that guy is so professional, right? They always say that I'm a professional guy. Because I worked hard. J'ai travaillé dur, right? So we gotta work hard, okay? Il faut travailler dur pour gagner, right? So we have to speak like native. So please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like, you comment, you share. S'il vous plaît, abonnez-vous. Tournez la cloche parce que le Saint-Joe, you listen manga of soft, donc tournez la cloche. Na poste quand vous parlez oui. Memorize right? Lesion Léo, je crois que vous avez bien compris. N'a pas de problème. Il faut commenter, right? You have to leave a comment if you got problem with the lesson. I will definitely help you. Why do you think I'm here? Right? So alright, so nana mwele siadunga. Peace.